My name is Chris with the Roadster Shop, and I'm in the chassis final assembly department. We utilize this machine, the Miller Multimatic 220 AC/DC, in our department, not only to TIG, but to MIG as well. And it allows us to switch from one application to the next with great ease and speed. So now I'm about to MIG weld this brake tab onto this chassis. And then when I move over to the other chassis, I'm going to TIG weld the same brake tab onto that chassis as well. QuickTech is going to allow me to do that in a matter of seconds. All right, so now I'm finished with that one and I'm on to the next one. All right, so we just finished up MIG welding the other chassis. We've gone ahead and switched over the ground. Now I've got my TIG torch and I'm gonna go begin TIG welding on this chassis, the same brake tab as I did before.